Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how you can use Hulu outside of the US. So first you're going to need a VPN. Here I'm using NordVPN. You can get a subscription for cheaper by using the link in the description below. And what this does is it basically changes your location online to make it appear as if you're inside the US. To do this, all you need to do is head over to the US on the map and click Connect. And now your computer will think you're on the US. To check this, you can go to Google and type, "Where am I located?" and it should tell you you're in the US. Next, Hulu needs you to have a US issued form of payment. You can get this by going to g2a.com. Once you're on the website, you can type Hulu and it'll show you some gift cards you can buy. A Hulu subscription is $9.99 a month. So let's say you want to subscribe for 3 months. You can choose the $30 gift card, add to cart, and finalize payment. Once you buy the gift card, you can sign up for Hulu and input the gift card code. And it's as simple as that. Remember, you can get a NordVPN subscription for a cheaper price by using the link in the description below. And just like that, you now have access to Hulu.